Hello guys, today we are going to see how to use Aura component in our community builders. By using Aura component in community builder, we can configure our components to see in community builder, like meaning we can available that component to drag and drop inside a community builder. We can change the theme layout of our community. By this way we can transform the appearance and overall structure of our community. Next we can change the search and profile menu components for our communities. We can also change the custom, like we can change also layout of our communities. So let's begin with our first topic, to configure components for communities. To configure our component for communities, we need to implement one interface which is force community colon available for page types. So in this session we will see how to configure our lightning component so that that component will be available for drag and drop in our community builder. So for that purpose we are going to create one new component with this same code. So let's create one new component. In this session I am going to create one sample component with the name hello world. In this component we can see how we can make our component available for our communities. So let's start with the component creation. To create component, I am switching to the developer console. I am creating one new lightning component with the name hello world. Let's copy paste the same code. Let makes the access equal to global so that you can use your component outside of your organization, meaning you can use your component in some managed package or in another org. Let's switch back to our community builder to see whether this component hello world community is available in our community builder or not. I am searching this component hello world community in my community builder. As you can see here, this component is available for drag and drop. So I'm just dropping this component somewhere in my community. As you can see, the hello world community component I have dropped in this area. You can see hello world, which is coming from the same lighting component that we have just created. It's hello and world. If you want to change the icon for this hello world community, you can change this icon by changing the design file of your component. One more thing you need to take care while creating a lightning component. By default, lightning component will not take care the CRUD permission or FLS. You need to enforce your FLS or CRUD permission by your Apex controllers. That's it for this session. To just sum up, if you want to make your component available in a community builder, you need to implement this force community available for page types interface in your lightning components. Thank you guys for watching this session. In next session we will see how we can create a custom